Hi, this is Ken Lau. In this video, I'll share with you how to create a stack bar chart, a table, and a more complex table. So we have a claim data right here, and it's basically loaded from a general data like this, right? So I have the label, I have this state and the amount the claim. So I can generate a pivot table just like this, right? We created this thing and then a stack bar chart again. So how do what does it mean here is that we have where is the sum for each state, the claim cost for each state, and there's a grand total, right? Ignoring all the state, so that is 323. And then in terms of percentage, we're taking this value and then divide by the grand total in order to get the percentage. So if you do it in pivot table, that is what we can do is like this. So we give them so we get a name for this. We name this as an Excel table. Next we go to summarize with pivot table. Go to existing, click location, click OK, and then we want to know the total claim cost. And then here I right click change to the number format. Number, use decimal point. And then we have a 321,000 claim cost, and then we go to the state right here. So that's how we created this. Now the next thing is that if you want to choose the percentage against the grand total, you can just simply right click here, change show value as, and go for percentage of column total, and that is how you get that. Now let's come back to Power Pivot. Go to new one, a new BI desktop. So I load the Excel file, right? I have put it in the test folder, right? Let's just click OK, and I will just load this table into Power BI. So I would go for choose a state bar chart, and I can easily do that with the claim toss. Then I go for state. So it's always that the total claim cost, then later on we segregate it into a different state. Okay, that's beautiful. Now I can also choose the table and do the same, claim cost, state. Okay, I should have done a little bit changes, right? Then I can adjust the size of this. Let's go to the value area, locate the, so it's easier to read this. Okay, so next thing is that I have the state. So now the next thing is I would like to know the I want to know about this the percentage for each of the state to here. But however, in Power BI, we don't have the convenience like what we did in this pivot table. We have no right click. There is no such option there. So we need to write our own measure in order to get this value. So let's come back to here, right? So you need to use create a new measure, and I call it claim by. You can give that any name, yeah, you like. Just maybe I just call it total. Okay, the total claim, right? And then we can use the sum DAX function, right, and go for the total claim and enter. So what this total claim is basically same like that, right? At first you may see like it was just like the same. Just click another one. So you see there's a total claim, and the claim cost is the same, right? No difference. I can, and then I want to have another measure. So this measure, however, I call it total claim cost. Total claim. I call it all total claim. Okay, and I'm going to use a DAX function called SUMX. So in the SUMX, I'm going to also use an all table, right? Let's just go to the table. So what this all function essentially means is it ignore any filter. So each of these row items, right, is considered a filter. Like this, I want to do a sum on the column. Which column, right? So I go to table.claims and this column. So it really just like a sum function. However, it actually remove all the filter and do a sum. So now I have a new measure. I just add it on into my table. Now you can see that here it shows, even though there is a filter for Johor, right, but in all total claims, right, it always shows the grand total without any filter, every single row. So now we can actually take the total claim divided by the all total claim. Now in order to create this percentage, right, we need to use a measure against another measure. Okay, so now I go to the home, new measure. Here I call it claim percentage. And here I call the total claim. Now this total claim in our case study here is the total claim for each state. Okay, and divided by ignoring all the state, which is the total row here. So I use it's called the all total and enter. Okay, so now I have a new percentage. Right, let's just go for this. Where is it? Yeah, this is the one, right? Just click on this here. So we got the 12%. So alright, now select this item and go to format. This one. Measure tools, right? I go for percentage. So what you have here is 11.93. What does that mean is that it takes 38,000 divided by 321,000. You get 11.93. As for the second item, you take the total items claim for the KEDA and divide by the total claim, so you get 12%. So this is the same that you show here. Okay, the same show here. So here's a way to do it in Power BI. So this is just to explain to you how to stack this all together, right? So you can always remove the other item. You don't have to show the claim total. You can just uncheck that. right here, let's come back to select this item. You don't need to have this, so you can just cross it. Total, you just do a comparison, right? So not much. So I hope you learned the essential DAX function here, and thanks for watching.